What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you all the adjustability with the seat, different angles with the pedals. We're going to go through that. I'm going to make a few adjustments with the pedals. I'm going to come in here. I'm actually going to remove the clutch. I don't use it. I use it as a footrest. I'm going to move the brake over to be a little more comfortable. Set this all back up, and then we will show you the seat and feet adjustment, and then with the final adjustment on how I like it. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so I removed the clutch pedal, moved the brake over more, so when I'm sitting down I was getting tripped up with the clutch. I was using the clutch for a rest pedal, and it was kind of tripping me up, so I decided to get rid of it, moved everything over. Got the stabilizer bar incorrectly, a viewer let me know, but the clutch was just a footrest, and so I couldn't, get the bar to go through all, so I got it all fixed up. But today's video, we're going to be looking at the seat angles and adjustment and the foot pedals. A viewer was asking about if you could get the seating position of an F1 kind of style, and yes, you can. I don't know if you can see. So the seat has 4 adjustments. Marv, if I can get a camera guy, pretty much down here, Marv. The seat has 4 adjustment settings. So as you can see here, the 4 settings. The first one, really flat. One more, you get a little bit of an angle. That's the one I've been using. You go down one more, see that angle gets a little bit more, and that's probably more of an F1. So I'd say all the way down like so would be more of an F1. Full GT, F1, but pretty much just find what's comfortable for you. Same with the pedals over here. This has also got 3 different settings. First one, it's got the most angle, so I'd say that's for the F1. I was using the second one, and then you got totally flat. So I'm going to try and figure out which one's best for me, and we're going to go over these and show each position. I'll sit in it so you can see how they look. So let's get started. Let's start with doing the flattest position. So I'm going to raise the seat all the way up. So there's the seat and the pedals in the most flat position. I'll go ahead and sit very lightly and gingerly, so I have one screwing. So yeah, this could work. I think I'd like a little bit of angle in my seating, so I'm going to show you the F1 style. So we're going to go all the way down. It's the very last one. Here, I'm just going to put that to lock it. Come over here. Okay, so this, the F1 style. Ooh, I kind of like this. So I could even do that. Give it just a little bit of angle here. So this would be the F1 style. What I'm going to do, it's pretty comfy, but I'm going to raise mine up. I like to be more GT style, so that's where we're going to leave everything. Love it. Big shout out to everyone that's been watching lately and subscribing. And thanks to Extreme Sim Racing. Shared the video, shared a link on their Instagram, so give them a follow. So yeah, that is the different levels for the Extreme Sim Racing. So I'm going to get this set up to where I like it and show you guys what's up. Okay, so settings I found out I like. I used to have this set up one more setting, so I had a little bit of angle. I got this flat, and the seat I got set to the second setting up. So we're pretty flat, more of a GT style, and I got the steering wheel pretty much set where I like it. So Marv, if you'll come over here and grab the camera, just so I can show my position here. As you can see, I'm pretty flat. Pedals are nice, feels good. Steering wheel's good. So I'm feeling pretty comfortable, more comfortable than I was before. So I think this is where I'm going to leave it for a while. But I just wanted to show you all the different settings, so I hope that helped you out. Thanks again for Extreme Sim Racing for the support. We made a viewer was asking to see the different angles of the seat and pedals, so see if they could get an F1 style position, and it looks like you can. So I hope that helped out, and yeah, thanks again for watching, all the new subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on Monday nights for GT Sport Daily Races of the Week, and we will see you guys on track.